Now, dear students, let's discuss something about the 3D models. Let me show you. This is our PCB we have just designed in our previous section. Let's just wait till it loads. So let's check in 3D viewer. If you go to 3D viewer, you can see over here this is the LED and this is the resistor. These are actually the 3D models that are attached with the footprint. Similarly, this is the battery that has the 3D model that is attached with the footprint. So how we can attach the 3D model with this switch? So let me show you. Let me close this and let's open Footprint Editor. So 3D models for components are stored in a separate file names for components. 3D models are saved in a footprints. Any number of 3D models can be added to each footprint. 3D models file name along with model scale, rotation, offset and opacity are set in 3D model tab of the footprint. So where you will get this, this is the actually footprint we have just designed by clicking over here, edit footprint properties, and as we have just used the general settings, but we haven't studied about the 3D models. So these are here you can add your 3D model. If you have the files of the 3D models, you can simply click on this and click over here and add the path for your 3D models. You can even scale, rotate and give offset and change the opacity. So the 3D models, both step, dot step and VRML 3D model formats are supported in the KiCad. Step files are useful where dimensional accuracy is needed, while VRML files can be used for more visually attractive renders. You can see that let me show you if any other component. Let's click this capacitor. This is some capacitor. Let's go to its properties and you can see that this is the 3D model that is attached with this footprint. You can see this is the 3D model attached with the footprints. You can even design your own in using FreeCAD tool or Blender and attach them with the footprints. Let's say if I choose some LEDs, let's choose LED and let's see it also have 3D models attached with this footprint. So this is the 3D model of the LED. Similarly, you can also have a 3D model for your custom footprint that you have built. Over here, simply you go into properties and add 3D model. You can even design your own 3D model in FreeCAD or Blender and then add those files over here, and that 3D model will appear on this PCB. You can even scale them, rotate them and offset them. This is how you can add 3D model to your footprints.